Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by powering off and removing the ear cushions so you can access screws and seams. Use a plastic pick to separate the grill and note brake tabs, photograph positions for reassembly. Once done, remove visible screws with the correct driver and place them in a labeled tray. Make sure to keep track of foam pieces and contact pads. They're fragile and easy to misplace. This step minimizes surprise damage and speeds the rest of the cleaning process. You now focus on the drivers and internal cavities. Blow 2-3 short bursts of compressed air at an angle to dislodge dust without touching cones. Once done, lightly dampen a lint-free swab with 90% isopropyl and clean around driver rims and PCB connectors. Do not soak components. Make sure to inspect foam pads and replace any crumbled pieces, and if you find intermittent contact, reflow with a low-heat soldering iron. You finish by reconnecting flex cables and testing each driver at low volume before sealing the cups. This avoids reopening if something's off. Once confirmed, reassemble in reverse order. Align tabs, gently tighten screws, and receipt cushions. Make sure to run a 2020-000 HC test track and listen for distortion or channel imbalance. If you encounter no sound on one side, check connector orientation, inspect solder joints, and use a continuity tester on the cable. That targeted troubleshooting usually resolves the last issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.